Hi to everyone. So I am going to show you the top 5 of African artists who are most popularly or most known as in the world and the whole world. Do you know him? Do you know her? Yes, in this video you will be explained for the words for the anything you wanna to this video. So the number five is the most popular artist come from in East Africa, in the country called Tanzania. Do you know Tanzania country, the country that located in East Africa? So this artist is called the Diamond Platinums. Do you know him? He has made the most beautiful songs, the most beautiful musics in the melody quality bongo. So Diamond, he has made a song with the Justin Derulo come from in America. Justin Derulo have collaborated with Diamond Platinums for the song Komasava was the most popular song to the world because many Dubai children have dancing it and have been dancing it for the best account of TikTok. So this song have made many people to be fall in love. So and you don't know, and you are knowing it. This song you can search on any platforms of Diamond Platinum. So number four, there is the most popular the artist of African songs. African artist. That artist is called Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift is the most popular artist who has made the people to fall in love with their activities. So Taylor Swift have made the song called Water. This song have reached to 1 billion viewers or listeners to YouTube and any platform that Taylor Swift she uses every day. So Taylor Swift she come from in South Africa, the country located in southern of Africa. So the number three, there is the most popular artist. There is the artist come from in rural areas. So this artist is called Wizkid. Do you know his Wizkid? Wizkid is a most popular artist, songwriter, and dancing song called Wizkid, and he is come from in Nigeria. Do you know in Nigeria? Yes, in Nigeria there is more famous person. There is more artists that are known as to the world, to the America, to the Europe, to the Africa, to the Asia, to the Oceania, and the others, and others. So Wizkid is only number 3 artists that are known popularly, that are known or recent more than others in Africa. So Wizkid he have made many songs according to her life. Wizkid he have lacked her mother because her mother have passed away. So her mother was good, and Wizkid he have created the song according to the life of his mother and him. So the number two, there is the most popular artist. The artist come from in richest family. The artist come from in the best richer from in Nigeria. So in the last week, parents of this artist have made him to be feeling and to be loved with her guy, to be loved with many people. They love him. So let's talk him. Do you love him? I know. Do you love him? Yes, you love him. I know. Yes. Though this artist is called Davido come from in Africa, and he has the nationality of America. Yes. Davido he have made he made many songs like Unavailable, like song that it called Fall, and other songs he made. Yes, so let's talk to the number one. Who is number one? Do you think the number one artist is called what? He's called what? So I have curiosity. Who is the first, most popular artist in the East Africa, in the West Africa, in the Central Africa, in the South Africa, in the North Africa, in the Europe, and all Africa. So this artist is called. Do you have a curiosity? Please go to the comment and write how you are thinking to this artist. This artist is called Burna Boy is the first, the most popular artist in the all African artist. So the Burna Boy have 23 millions of listeners to Spotify. This is how he have passed under artist. So he has 19 millions to the audio mark. This is how he has passed others to be the first, to be the high, to be the large, to be the one of artists who is the most popular in all the world. So Burna Boy is the first. If you know is the first. I think that you are famous person and you are lovely artist. Without Burna Boy, maybe Davido, maybe Diamond, maybe Taylor Swift, maybe Wizkid, anyone you want is your number one. But I am arranging these artists according to their activities, their songs, their listeners, and their numbers on YouTube, on Audiomack, on TikTok, on Spotify, on Boomplay, or other social media or platforms they use always. So I love you, I love everyone. Please, so press on subscribe and press on like out. So I will give you some gift to everyone who have made subscribe, who have do the like, who have do the subscribe, who have do everything. So me, I come from in Africa, in the country who is poor, and me, I come from in poor family. I come from in bad family because he has no money, but I love that family. So if you have money, you can buy me tea, you can buy me coffee. So I love you, I love you, I love you more, I love you more. Because so go on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can answer me, or you can send me some gift. I'm not monetized, but I can I believe that I will pass and I will reach on monetization. So YouTube, I am keeping trying to be with high, to be with the all needed to YouTube to be monetized. So I will keeping trying in order to be, in order to reach my, in order to reach on my goal. So thank you to everyone. Go on WhatsApp and write me tap or write 078 073 sorry, please write this number on my WhatsApp number is 073 8080900. So in other words is 073 900. Thank you to everyone. You can answer me, or you can write me on WhatsApp. Thank you to everyone.